3 2 1. Yeah, so let's go to the search button and address, and this is Kawasaki, I'm sure, pretty sure. Kawasaki, and there's Fujisaki 3 and 2-1, I'm pretty sure. Yes, so address has been registered here, so let's hope I can see that address. Yeah, so this is the place, so you can zoom it with the plus button here so that I can clearly see that some of the places I noticed there. Yeah, pretty sure. Okay, so I want to go here, right? So there's a I can read this katakana setto, so I can set here. Yeah, I've already set the address here, so it's shown here. And one thing you should be very careful. Yeah, something said, I'm not sure about that. And oh, I can notice there it's a toll, so it's like 20 kilometers. The price 1,640. Okay, so I want to change this. I want to go in the normal road, so I have a lot of time to go, so I don't want to spend this much of money. So I can read this Henko, yeah, route Henko, so I can change. Henko means change it. I can figure out. I'm pretty sure this is delete. Smart IC Nantoka, and let's check this one. There's another one, Henko, I can see there. So oh yes, so here this is all options shown. This is maybe the toll. You saw that previously, something, the money, the amount you have to pay. And this is Ippan something, so this is the normal road. Okay, let's do this, and pretty sure there's no any other option, so let's go here. Our route, yeah, it's get changed. Yeah, exactly, I got it now. So this okay, so Chukadoro is a normal route, I think, so there's no price written, so I'm pretty much sure this is the normal route I'm going through. And if you want to change again, if you are in hurry or rush, if you want to use the toll, of course you have to change the route again, the same thing, go back and just click here, and there's only one option you have. Click here. I think it's done. Yeah, I can see. Pretty much easy, I think. Okay, anyway, I don't understand these, so anyway, I got it. So pretty much I think it's helpful for you guys. So of course, obviously I'm not going to use the toll here, so again the same process, and this is 1, so yeah, remember the line is 1, so go, click, boom, so you're back to the normal road. Yeah, pretty much. So you can zoom it if you want, go back. Yeah, I think you are ready to go. So if you want to start, maybe this one.
一般道その先国道1号線を通るルートです。
Right. So
実際の交通規制に従って走行してください。
Kind of clear, right? So I'm heading. So this is the second video I'm making for you guys. So pretty much I'm learning Japanese a little, but still kanjis are kind of difficult for me to read. So I'm gonna show here the destination you put already. Recently, so I'm gonna set it forever. I'm going to school every day, so I need to register that so that I don't have to reset it again and again. So let's see, let's check. So let's go to the map or the menu. Okay, so and search. I can see here 1, 2, it's already flagged, so I've already registered some of the addresses, my friends' addresses. So I'm gonna put in 3, my job, my school address, so hi, and I think it was here, yeah, 3. Yeah, you can see the addresses you already used. So that was the recent one, so the above here, right? So you can see G there, so you can set like this, and you can see here on number 3 it's registered. So wherever you want to go, you have to remember that
この
number wise.
先渋滞があります。
Okay, something said here. So for example, I've set 1 as my friend's house, so let's press there. It's already there, it's on. It's Saitama, I think, yeah. So you're gonna be going right. So where's that? Is this the one? If you want to go, yes. Yeah, it's already shown here. Cool. So here's the map. Yes, you're going there. Right.
ルートを長押しすることで通過道路を指定できます。
Oops, I made a mistake because I added. So G1 and G2, I'm going 2 places. So it's not good. So we can go back again. Route Henko. So this is delete. And delete all the things here. Hi. So we are again back to the normal. Your location here. So again menu. Search and go 1. I think it's ready, I hope. Yeah, so we're done. So we're going.
ルートを長押しすることで通過道路を指定できます。
Good to go. There's a price, so you can change always. Right. The route Henko. Right. Here. Ipan. With the video again. Let's make it BGM a little. This one, okay. So right there. I'm using a Bluetooth with my phone here. You can use the TV. Right. Okay, that's funny. Anyway, so we're back here. This is PRADO TX Land Cruiser. So you can see the interior here, pretty much cool. It's kind of wide space, a lot of space, ample space. There's so many functions here, and one function you can see here, so you can operate from the steering. There's so many parts. Enter. Yeah, you can see there displays steering mode, the track indicator, some notifications, informations. There are so many informations, so you can change the mode with this thing. If you click here, it keeps on changing, scrolling, and if you scroll down, it helps. So as you can see, I just fueled my car yesterday full, so it shows you the approximate the destination you can go with the fuel you have. So for me it's like 506 kilometer I can go, and average kilometer is 4.9 kilometers per liter. So there's an equal indicator here. It will be displayed here after you drive. This is 0 speed now, right? And the 50 kilometers, it's kind of new car I had. so you can just scroll up and down and you can change the screen there. Right, pretty much cool. Kind of cool, right? And here you can see this is for the bonnet, the left one, and the right one is for the fuel. Yeah, never forget that. The focus light here. Yeah, these are the right, it's closed, folded, out, pretty much wide and big. It's very clear, you can see the behind part clearly. And this you can see the small one, it helps you to see your car body parts that you can't reach, you can see well. Yeah, so what else you have? Oh, there's a convex mirror, you can see inside very well. And if you pull down, you have a space for your glasses. Pretty much cool. And one function we have is here, you can slide out, and this is the sunroof. It's pretty cool. So slide it open, pass the air inside a little and back. Yeah, it's kind of cool options here. So there's a space here, a big one, and there's a space for your coffee or your drinks. And here's a space, a big space to keep something you want. One is for the one layer, this layer. Two is with the other one, it's deep inside. Yeah, so we have the port out here as well, and the fixture, air fixtures here. The cool thing is this one, so when you open, the lights get on, so you can see yourself in the mirror. Same thing here. Pretty cool. A lot of options here. An ETC card over here.